Hi, I'm Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to cut one shape out of another in Adobe Illustrator. Now let's get started.
First, go ahead and create your main shape. This is the shape you want to cut from. Format the shape according to your needs. Now create the second shape and position it exactly where you want the cut to happen. Now here's an important step. Make sure the cutout shape is on top of the main shape. Alright, once everything is in place, select both shapes. Next, go up to the top menu, click on Window and open Pathfinder. This panel gives you different ways to combine and modify shapes. Now inside the Pathfinder panel, click on minus front. And just like that, the top shape is cut out from the shape underneath. And that's it. This is a super useful technique, especially when you're creating logos, icons, or clean vector designs.